Today, I want to talk to you about something that I have read about recently, which grabbed my interest a lot. I want to talk to you about something that Japanese people do, which is called kintsugi. I'm not sure if I pronounce it exactly correctly, but when, let's say, a kid drops a very valuable piece of art, let's say a vase, then it breaks. Then they take the pieces, they pick them carefully, and they pick them to a guy that does the kintsugi. He's an artist. He is able to collect the pieces and put them together like as they were, but it's never possible to connect them as they were. So he puts some parts of gold between the pieces to bring them. And the piece is displayed at home in a very beautiful place and it increases in value. The same thing goes with life. When life breaks you, you can use the same pain that caused that breakness to repair the pieces. Here there are two calls. The first call is not to get upset to on our children when they break something, or not only children, our sons and daughters. If they break something and we get upset with them, it breaks something in their hearts and it will be a little bit hard to repair. It's okay sometimes if they break something, and even if we cannot use the kintsugi, it's still fine, I guess. The second call that I want to talk about is the when you face something really hard in life and something that is very sad, and then finally you are ready to be repairing yourself. Do different things. Enjoy your time. Life is short, and I personally know people who have millions of dollars, and once life broke them, they couldn't get out of it, and they stayed there until now. And while this is a call for everyone to really try to repair, sometimes it doesn't take much to actually repair the damage, and it might take a little bit of effort, but after all, trying different things, as I said, is going to be a great help. And time heals everything. If you have any pain, if you have any sadness, keep smiling. And the longer you smile, the faster you recover. For some people, it takes more than others, but it's always working. Kintsugi is the art of repairing the pots, and there must be something named that repairs the soul. And if you find it, please write in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching this video and have a great day.